Good evening. My name is Clovis, and this is the sixth assignment for Introduction to Music Production at Coursera, and uh, I'm gonna, I'm gonna explain about the amplitude envelope on a synthesizer. I'm gonna use a Korg synthesizer named Microkorg. Uh, I own this synthesizer, and I'm gonna take some examples of the amp envelope configurations. Well, first I chose a pattern. This synthesizer works with patterns. I chose a pattern named Big 6. Hear it for a moment. Using this button here named amp EG, and it assigns to these four knobs the attack, decay, sustain, and release options of the notes. First, I'm gonna raise the attack time of it's first. There's the attack is close to 0. Now let's increase the attack time and see what's happened. So the sound swells in instead of the kind of immediately starts when I press the keys. Next thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna look at the sustain. First I'm gonna I'll try to decrease the sustain of the notes and see what see what happens. The notes are gonna be different. It became more percussive sound because of the low level of sustain. If I increase it at that moment, I increase the decay time, the notes are gonna hit and last longer. And finally we have, let's increase the sustain a little longer, and finally I'm gonna increase the release button, and let's see what happens to the notes. The notes increase much more time. Let's increase a little more. Well, I guess that's it. This is a Microkorg synthesizer, and I explained the ADSR controls in it, and it's a fine piece of gear. The sound it makes is really it makes a very good sound. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Goodbye, good night.